At least 6 people have been killed in Tennessee after a powerful tornado ripped through the region on Saturday. In addition, officials say more than 24 people were treated for minor injuries, and rescue crews are now searching for additional survivors. According to the American National Weather Service, at least 2 tornadoes, each described as large and dangerous, touched down in Montgomery County, located about an hour north of Nashville. Tens of thousands of people remained without power Sunday as a result of the storm.
Traffic is backed up really bad. There's no electricity, no signal. Just heard from another car that there was a major disaster on Fort Campbell Boulevard. So guys, stay home if you can. I hope nobody was in those houses. Look guys, it was really bad. So like I said, stay home if you can. Stay safe.